Hey, Mr. Luke Edwards, Mr. Korg, demo guy.
Hello.
Product specialist extraordinaire.
That's me.
How long have we been filming you? I'm trying to remember. We must have been amongst your first demos, right?
It's a lot of years. Yes, it's a lot of years. Could even be back in the Roland days.
Awesome.
Yes.
God, it could be, yeah.
Yeah.
Blimey.
Yeah.
Dave mentioned that. So we were talking previously because we filmed all of the new Korg stuff, and but you were saying you had this really cool demo of using the Nutekt synth in an interesting way, right?
Yeah. The way I've been showing it to people is obviously it's an amazing synth and it's got the kind of sound engine derived from the Prologue and the Minilogue XD, user oscillators, user effects. But the fact is, it's got an audio input in it, so you can feed anything through it. And for £99, it's worth buying it just for the reverbs and the delays alone.
So those are the same that are in the XD?
Absolutely.
Ooh,
and the modulation effects, so you've got 3 stackable effects.
Because the XD effects are peachy, I have to say.
They're unbelievably good, they really are. Korg hat off, they really are very special.
Oh, that's a really interesting, okay, so how have you got this set up then?
So basically I've got this Minilogue here, running through audio, out, and then into the Nutekt there. So at the moment it's completely dry, so I've just got a little pattern here. So we start it off. So let's start dialing in some effects, modulation effects. It's got these stellar reverbs from
God, hasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go for a space. Things like the riser.
Yeah, I love the submarine and the riser.
Yeah.
The submarine is one of my favourites. That's like the inverted shimmer, isn't
it? Submarine.
Oh, here we go. That is a really interesting idea. So basically,
and then you get all those really nice lower frequencies, especially in the submarine reverbs. Beautiful.
So, and that's what does it take? Is it a stereo in and stereo out?
Yeah, stereo in. Yeah, stereo mini jack.
So is it true stereo effects or is it?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Because you've got some panning stuff going on as well, and the delays as well, if you want it.
Wow. Okay. So that top tip there.
Yeah, top tip.
Thank you very much. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Available when?
Available. It's announced obviously already, but we're expecting them to ship sort of late November, early December.
And what was the price of them? 99 quid.
£99.
Top tip.
Bargain.
Thanks, Luke.